Present continuous tense.
Grammar presentation.
When to use present continuous.
Actions happening now. We use it to talk about actions that are happening now. Examples: I am eating lunch. She is writing a letter. They are playing soccer in the park. He is cooking dinner. We are watching a movie.
Describing temporary actions. It's used for actions that are temporary or not habitual. Examples: he is learning to play the guitar. She is trying a new recipe toady. I am taking a yoga class this week. We are visiting our grandparents for the weekend. She is playing soccer with her friends today. Discussing future plans. We also use it to talk about future arrangements. Examples: I am meeting my friend at 4 p.m. They are flying to Paris next week. She is attending a conference on Friday. He is going to the dentist in the afternoon. We are watching a play at the theater this evening.
How to form present continuous.
Positive form. To make a positive sentence, start with the subject. Add the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: I am cooking dinner. She is playing tennis now. Negative form. For negative sentences, use not after the form of to be, am not, is not, are not, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: she isn't sleeping. They aren't watching TV.
Question form. To ask a question, begin with the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: is she cooking? Are you studying for the test? Thank you for listening.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
When do we use the present continuous? We use the present continuous to talk about actions happening now. Example: I'm listening to music at the moment. Future arrangements. Example: I'm meeting my friend on Saturday. Temporary states. Example: she's staying at a hotel this week. Present continuous. Positive. I am playing. You. We. They are playing. He. She. It is playing. Negative. I'm not playing. You. We. They aren't playing. He. She. It isn't playing. Questions: am I playing? Are you? We. They playing? Is he? She. It playing? Short answers: yes, I'm. No, I'm not. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Common time expressions used with the present continuous tense. Now, right now. At the moment. This week, this year, this month.
Great job.
Quiz time. Present simple. Present continuous.
Instructions. Work in teams. Choose the correct answer in 10 seconds or less. If the answer is correct, your team gets 1 point. If the answer is wrong, your team loses 1 point. The winner is the team that gets more points. Pay attention to time expression.
Number 1.
I often dash on Saturdays. A. Play. B. Is playing. C. Plays.
Answer is A. Play.
Number 2.
My dad dash dinner at the moment. A. Cooks. B. Cooks. C. Is cooking.
Answer is C. Is cooking.
Number 3.
Our train dash at 8. A. Leaves. B. Leaves. C. Is leaving.
Answer is A. Leaves.
Number 4.
They never dash attention in class. A. Pays. B. Are paying. C. Pay.
Answer is C. Pay.
Number 5.
He dash an email at the moment. A. Is writing. B. Are writing. C. Writes.
Answer is A. Is writing.
Number 6.
It never dash in summer. A. Rain. B. Rains. C. Is raining.
Answer is B. Rains.
Number 7.
I dash to music right now. A. Listen. B. Are listening. C. Am listening.
Answer is C. I'm listening.
Number 8.
My brother dash geography. A. Doesn't likes. B. Don't like. C. Doesn't like.
Answer is C. Doesn't like.
Number 9.
Dash. You dash computer games right now. A. Is playing. B. Are playing. C. Do playing.
Answer is B. Are playing.
Number 10.
I dash brush my teeth now. A. Am brushing. B. Brushes. C. Is brushing.
Answer is A. I'm brushing.
Great job!